Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will discuss fish harvesting, handling, and transportation. Fish is a source of valuable animal protein and is now considered as a healthy food. This has resulted in increased consumer demand. Fish can be broadly categorized into two main types: fin fisheries and non-fin fisheries. Fin fishery means fisheries of true fishes, whereas non-fin fisheries are the fisheries of organisms other than true fish, like prawns, crabs, mussels, sea cucumbers, frogs, and etc. Fin fisheries can further be categorized into two classes: captured fisheries and culture fisheries. Capture fisheries is basically exploitation of aquatic organisms without stocking the sea. Recruitment of species occur naturally. Capture fisheries carried out in sea, rivers, reservoirs, and etc. Fish yield decrease gradually in capture fisheries due to indiscriminate catching of fish. Capture fisheries practiced in sea is referred as marine fisheries, and inland capture fishery if it is in the rivers and reservoirs. Culture fisheries. It is the cultivation of selected fishes in confined area with utmost care to get maximum yield. The seed is stocked, nursed, and reared in confined waters, and then crop is harvested. Culture takes place in ponds which are fertilized, and supplementary feed are provided to the fish to get maximum yield out of them. Now we will discuss some fishing techniques. Fishing techniques are the methods of catching fish. Use of fishing method varies depending upon the type of the fisheries and can range from a simple process as gathering of aquatic organisms by hand picking to highly sophisticated fish harvesting systems aimed at mid-water trawling or purse seining, conducted from large fish vessels. The targets of capture fisheries can range from small invertebrates to large tuna or whales. Principles of catching fish. The large diversity of target is capture fishery, and their wide distribution required a variety of fishing gears and methods for efficient harvest. These technologies have been developed around the world according to local traditions and technological advances in various disciplines like hydrodynamics, acoustics, and electronics. Filtering the water, luring and outwitting the prey, and hunting are the basis of most of the fishing gears and the method used even today. Harvest technologies as they are practiced today generally fall into three main groups: catching fish singly or in schools by use of net and spears, trapping the fish in stationary gears such as fish traps and set nets, attracting the fish to get caught on a hook by using a bait, artificial lures, or other means such as light. Fish harvesting method. Fish harvesting system include fish vessels and fishing gears. The term fish vessel is used to denote the mobile floating object engaged in catching operation. Fish gear is synonymous for fishing nets, which is used to catch the fish in water bodies. Most significant among the technological development which support the evolutions of fish harvest technology are development in craft technology and mechanization of propulsion, gear, and catch handling. Introduction of synthetic gear material, development in acoustic fish detection, satellite-based remote sensing technologies, advances in electronic navigation, and position fixing equipment. Traditional methods of fish harvesting. In this technology, Chinese dip net, shore scenes, cast nets, gill nets, hooks, lines, mini trawls, traps, pots, and different kind of rings are used. Whereas in modern method of fish harvesting, trawling, person, hooks, line, mechanized jigging, and trolling lines are used. Handling of fish. Since fish is highly perishable commodity, it is to be immediately processed into various products to preserve its quality and to increase the shelf life. Fish require proper handling and preservation to increase its shelf life and retain its nutritional attributes. Fish are particularly prone to rapid pathogenic contamination. The main safety concerns are unhygienic handling during and after fish harvest, insufficient refrigeration, substandard processing, and poor packaging. Maintaining the quality of fish begins with harvest and carries through the harvest to the consumption chain. Handling of fish varies with type of fish, the processing method, and the intended final product. The earliest practice of fish handling in many parts of the world is to keep caught fish alive until cooking and consumption. Till today, this remains to be one of the most common fish handling practice. For harvested fish, the general handling practices after capture are transferring catch from gear to vessel, washing, sorting, bleeding, cutting, gutting, chilling, chill storage, and then unloading. The most important factor to be considered in initial handling and transport are the temperature, duration of storage, transport, and the hygiene in all respect, including that of the handlers. Washing and sorting of fish. The harvested fish should be washed well in potable water to free it from dirt and other extraneous matters. Slime accumulation on the skin surface of dying fish is a protection mechanism against harmful conditions. In some freshwater species, slime constitutes about 2 to 3% of their body weight. The slime extraction stops before rigor mortis. It creates a perfect environment for the growth of microorganisms and should be removed by thorough washing. Water chlorinated at a 10 ppm level is ideal for initial cleaning. After washing, the catch should be sorted